Welcome back to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan.
Oh.
Right over there is none of your business. But what is your business? I have Jess Farron on set with me today, the star of Meatless Mondays, and I normally cook with meat. So today, I've got a recipe with no meat, and hopefully all delicious. Do you approve?
I approve.
Okay.
It'll be good.
Well,
It'll be good.
well, I guess we'll see, right?
We'll see.
Stick around.
We'll see.
So, every time the bell rings, whether you're vegetarian or not, you still got something to drink. Come on, keep up, sister. Here we go.
All right.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
So today we are doing Blintzes.
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 Bless you.
Blintzes.
It's a hack dessert.
It is a dessert hack. I'm not a dessert guy, but this is, I think, perfect for your lane.
Oh.
So we'll walk kind of through it together,
Okay.
So neither of you have made
but
this.
first thing I've got to do is
First
I've got to
time.
start a dredging process. While I do this, I want you to go ahead and make the
Okay.
interior. We talked about this earlier, kind of this really sweet cream, but you go right ahead.
Gotcha.
Now, like I said, I'm not a dessert guy. How often are you making desserts?
A lot.
Really?
Yeah, I like desserts. I'm a sweet girl.
Like, would you say a lot is like?
Well,
like
let me
every 4
rewind.
recipes?
I don't really make a lot of desserts, but I eat a lot of desserts.
That's a good correction.
Okay, so what's your favorite dessert you've made so far? Because honestly, I've made I think 2 desserts on the Blackstone. Ever.
You're missing the
Honestly-
Oh wait, hang on. This
I
is
was
a really
gonna,
cool trick.
I was gonna let her tell, and then I was gonna
Sorry.
tell. But
Sorry.
while we're here, I'm gonna be dredging our tortillas. They're gonna soak in some of this delicious vanilla creamer. This is gonna soften up our tortillas, but also it's gonna give us a sweeter taste
This
in the
is
long
like
run.
The delicate crepe, which is normally what's used in the blends. This is the hack.
Yeah.
What he said.
what he said.
Yeah.
Very good, Dr. Ashton, very good.
So what are you putting in our interior right over here?
So
by
we
the
use
way?
some whipped cream cheese and some Greek yogurt. I think the first was vanilla, and this is going to be blueberry.
So, hot take.
Uh-oh.
I
How
don't like
hot is
Greek
it?
yogurt.
Ooh.
Yogurt.
Wow.
I'm not a yogurt fan.
Texture?
It's too funky for me. Like
Define funky.
a little like bitter, but then it's still sweet.
Uh-huh.
But it's
Natural. Healthy.
Can we talk
Bitter.
about the fact that this is the only whisk you have? What is going on?
what's wrong with my whisk?
It's really flexible.
It's too
Look at it.
flexible.
Why are you coming at my
can't-
whisk like that?
I can't get on in there.
That's the way God made you.
Okay,
I'm
we
gonna
got to
jump
thin this
over.
out a little bit.
The bed. Oh,
Yeah,
bringing
I
in
like
the
that.
sugar.
Yeah,
What
a
is
little agave.
Clever.
Another way that you can thin that out is if you could do a little lemon juice.
Ooh.
A little
I can do
lemon
that too.
zest,
That could
if
work.
you will. Now I'm going to, since I am all chefy, as you said, I'm going to be doing a nice little technique here with our mint.
Cut
Say
that in
it.
half for me while you're at it, chef.
I would love to.
I want to hear you say it.
Hold on.
Hold on. Hold.
There we go. Now, you don't have to do this. In fact, you might be better off not doing it. However, you could get these delicate little beautiful ribbons in the technique of a chiffonade.
Chiffonade.
But
A
if you
chiffonade.
decide to chiffonade, dude, you don't have to do this.
Oh,
And you could
brother.
pivot and you could go many other directions. But then this just makes
Easy.
these like light,
Elegant.
little elegant strings. And we're gonna
Oh,
Thank
nice.
you.
put a little
Yeah.
mint,
Reflect the
a little
color.
Thank
fresh mint and some color.
It thinned out nicely.
It did. Did we do any zest?
I did not. I'm getting there.
Okay, I can.
Where is
look
it?
we could zest this one.
Okay.
What are we
Waste
doing
not,
with the
want
berries?
not, but okay. Oh,
What?
I'm doing
What are we doing with the
Go
berries?
for it. We've got berries, y'all. Delicious strawberries and blueberries. This is gonna be our topping. Not going in, going on. So,
Not in.
but on.
we have our Blackstone cruising here. It's been at low. We're gonna ramp it up to high. Actually, I'm sorry, medium.
Oh, yeah,
and
take it up high now.
should we do a little butter? Should we let it blister
always.
itself?
No, butter.
Okay,
always
okay,
butter.
okay.
Always. Butter makes everything better.
Well,
That
hot
is-
take, if we're in that hot take mood.
We are.
Salted or unsalted butter, Jess?
Ooh.
Unsalted.
Thank you.
Oh,
So I
you
can
just
control
said.
the salt.
Oh, she's
take-
copying me. She cheated. She was
I'm
sitting
not
here and heard it
copying.
earlier.
I know better.
Oh my gosh.
I know better.
We are gonna go down with some unsalted butter because in this occasion, I don't necessarily want my berries salted. If I did, I could do that on my own.
You can always add salt.
You can always add it. You can't take it out.
You can give, you can't take away.
See?
That's what I always say.
I think that's brilliant. All right, why don't you go for it? You could just drop that right on there.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
Oh no.
Oh no, you're good.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
You know what? We could, to allow some quick steaming, we could dome with a little bit of water.
I think we should.
And then a little bit of water coming over here. Oh, sliding over this way. Dude, this teamwork thing is really paying off for us.
You and I are a team. Nothing is more important than our friendship.
Having a helper?
And you know what, Jess? I think it's time that you do some ringage and bringage.
Oh.
Why don't you ring that bell for us?
Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
It's your first
The
time.
coveted
My
ring.
first time.
Second.
Got it.
Woo!
Nice.
Gotta get my cup.
Get your cup, get your cup. Can't ring the bell without a sip.
There we go.
We'll be back when those berries have had a chance to soften up. So while we were taking a moment to properly hydrate and cleanse the palate, Jess had a brilliant idea.
Yes, we're gonna put some lemon juice on these berries. Freshen them up a little bit.
Ooh, some acidity. Oh, look at those
Oh,
berries
yeah.
already.
Yeah.
Try to make them like a syrup.
Dude, that is what I'm talking about.
Jess, you ever notice like a touch of acidity in fruit makes the
All the
flavor
difference.
pop,
Yeah,
right?
all the difference.
Oh, it
Absolutely.
totally does. You know
Like
what?
salted caramel.
Should we go ahead and add a little bit of agave now so we could start
Absolutely.
thickening up even more? Because we're about to start building, you guys.
Yeah,
All
absolutely.
right, let's. I'll let you say.
You
one.
ready?
Yeah, go for it. Is that enough?
Listen.
Okay. I am
We
listening,
don't want everything sweet.
and I am liking.
We don't want everything sweet because then everything's gonna taste the same.
Hey,
You know,
man, I thought you were sweet enough. All right. You know what? We're gonna steam a little bit more. We're gonna come back when it's time to build.
We're gonna cut it. Cut it.
Let's cut it.
Cut it.
Let's
Yeah.
cut it out. Stop it. Okay. We'll be back when it's time to get cruising on some building here. All right, now to start the building process, we've got to get our dredged tortillas, which is
dredged.
yeah,
It's like a
it's
wet. It's wet tortilla.
but it is technically a
Not wet
dredge.
tortilla.
Fight me in the comments down below. This is gonna be messy, Jess. I don't
Very
know if we
messy.
can kind of pivot from
Well,
this, but
typically a blintz is made with a crepe, and a crepe is like a really delicate pancake. So this is kind of like
those who can't do
teach,
and those who can't teach Jim.
See,
Exactly.
Let's rock today.
That's good.
I don't know how this is going to play out. It's a soaking wet tortilla, but I think the science is all there.
yeah, but
It's
that's-
gonna work.
It will.
Okay, well,
Jess,
let's.
do you use vanilla creamer? Do you like creamer in your coffee?
I do.
We're adding flavor to the liquid. I think we're in like.
I hope it doesn't burn. Now, tell us about those berries. Like, what's going on there?
We've got some strawberries, some blueberries. We put it on the griddle and some more butter because butter makes
Because
everything
butter does
better.
make it better.
Yeah.
I did not know that we were going to be able to pull this off
I
with
like
the
how it's-
viscosity of
it's
this.
thickening up. You can tell by those bubbles.
Oh, yeah,
That's
this
when it
is
really
beautiful.
gets-
I
Because
bet-
we should keep the lid off probably. at the end.
Let it
Yeah.
thicken up.
Yeah.
That's a good
A
idea.
little bit of agave, a little bit of lemon juice.
A little bit of love,
bit
maybe a
of
lot of bit of love. We got a little bit of love. We got a little bit of
love.
love. All those things. Now these have all toasted perfectly. Let's get them off and plate up. 2 portion. Sound good?
Sounds good
There
to
is
me.
4 of us.
All
So.
Two sounds better
You're
for
on
the
your
plate.
own.
Yes. Draping these berries, the powdered sugar, the little bit of mint. God, this is honestly
Elegant.
elegant, and it
Delicate.
looks delicious. It's kind of like a
pulled it
dessert
off.
burrito.
Yeah, we pulled it off.
We totally pulled this off. Now I guess we have to eat it.
It
Yeah.
really does look like you
Burrito.
meant to be awesome.
Well, we
Yeah.
did mean to be awesome.
I want
That's
a
what
little
I
bit
meant
of
to say.
everything.
You know what? I'm gonna
need
do
a-
this.
you
No,
need a
I'm
knife?
gonna let you have the plate. I'm gonna
Oh.
cut this open and show,
Oh, I love that.
and let's see what's going on inside.
You know, if I didn't
wait
know
to
any
try
better,
this.
I would think it was a crepe.
Well, it's like a cheating crepe, right?
The texture does look pretty delicate.
It does.
Dude, look at, wow, loaded,
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
and creamy. So
Did you just go full Blackstone Betty? Load it.
load it.
It's loaded.
It's loaded with flavor. Maybe so. I can't make a crepe. Scott is the crepe king
He is.
of
I can't
Chicago,
do it either.
and
Great.
Okay, are we ready to do this? Whoa, we got
Yeah,
wind.
I'm worried about
we got
the
wind coming
We
in
got
here.
wind.
All right,
Okay.
let's do it.
CJ, your bangs are blowing all over the place.
Very soft,
Really?
creamy exterior.
Soft but crispy.
Yeah,
Really?
You get a little bit of a crunch
Yep.
at the very end. Yeah.
some acidity inside there is delicious. The berries are crazy.
It's nuts.
But you know the Greek yogurt that you don't like? That's what's helping add the acidity.
Okay, yes, you're right. It's delicious.
Yeah.
Let us know how we did in the comments. Is it a crepe? Is it a burrito? Is it a corrito? Or a
burrito.
A burrito, a grape? Yeah. Whatever it is, it's officially time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Pumped you guys made it to this section of the show.
Lasted, that you endured.
We've made
That
it.
you
We
weathered
made
the
it.
storm.
We made it to
This
the
is the
end.
segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you guys write it,
we read it.
that's
we read
right,
it.
and we get to have some fun. So Jess, I'm gonna let you start us off here from the top in no particular
Give her a
order.
nice one.
This is from, Jim Vale, that nice guy.
Oh, Jim.
Always a good time and great featured creators. Also, can we just have an episode where Nate speaks in nothing but voice impressions? Those were spot on.
He was talking about where we were doing the butcher, tapping the eye.
Oh, yeah, it was pretty. That was my Daniel Day-Lewis.
Yeah, that was on breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
That's pretty good.
Jim,
Yes.
you are a
Yes, we can.
champion, and yes, we will do that. He's gonna work on that. There we go.
I'm back.
There we are. Thank you, Jim.
Thank you, Dan.
All right, this next one comes in from Fifa Drum.
Fifa drum.
Fi-
Barney Fifa drum.
Yes, exactly. It says, wait, what? Nate no longer has a show to watch? What happened? I was looking forward to seeing both of these shows. 2 different formats, 2 different personalities. My guy,
He's making this whole.
I am so sorry
My
to break it to
guy.
you, but Nate hasn't had a show
What?
in like,
I'm on this show.
you're a guest on my show, obviously. And might just be
Agree
making
with
your
you.
way out here pretty soon.
Why? Someone just. Asked
I don't like your attitude.
Someone just asked for my impersonations. I'll impersonate CJ. I'm an idiot.
And this next one, passing back off to Jess.
Another Nate comment? Jeez.
Yeah.
Actually,
No.
This one's from Blackstone Videos. I was just thinking that Nate was starting to sound like Mr. Rogers, and then CJ took the thought right out of my head. Quote, we're entering Mr. Rogers territory.
You mean one of the most loved characters in all of television history?
He's adorable.
Someone who changed the world and people come know how to tie their shoes
One
better?
sweater at a time.
one cardigan at a time.
Yeah.
You like jazz?
Okay, we have, it looks like another nice one. This is from K. Thompson, 8721, says,
Hey, Miss Nate's show. It was a great show. Or is someone crapping on me this time?
I love watching you two together.
Oh, what?
You keep it real,
set
and
me
it's
up.
easy to see you both are sincere and share a great
Yeah,
friendship.
you think so.
This guy sucks.
You think so?
Yeah, this guy's a jerk.
Who?
Here you are trying
You.
to be nice.
You know when you point at someone else, you got
Three fingers pointing at
back
Jess. K. Thompson.
Hey, Thompson.
K. Thompson, he's
Yeah.
alright. We're alright. It's alright.
Jess will tell you.
It'll be
offset,
alright.
I don't really care for CJ.
I don't know.
He doesn't.
He can be a big old load of jerkiness. Load. Or a reload.
Oh. Man.
Where's your crown king? Nothing.
Speaking of what?
I don't even know where you were going. Load? Okay. Did you know that the first printed use of the word hella is in the liner notes for Kill 'Em All?
No.
As in, that's hella good. I can't remember what they said in that, but yeah.
Dude.
Wow.
Metallica out there using trendy or creating trends.
Creating
I
the
guess.
trend. I like it. Well, cheers to that. Here's some
Like,
Metallica.
Stefani stole those lyrics. Ain't no hell about girl. Isn't that how it goes?
Oh,
No,
God,
wrong.
You're so dumb.
Wrong genre.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. This was a blast, Jess.
I had a great
loved having you on the show.
I love how these turned out.
I
Really
think
great.
down here we might have another something. Let's see. What's inside of there?
Maybe.
Yeah, what's in that? Oh, yep, we
Yes,
do. Who do we have?
We have Pizza Adam.
Pizza
Yeah.
Adam sent us a
Yeah.
sticker to go on the OG board behind us. Jess, why don't you find a spot up there?
All right,
You
let's
feel
see.
free to kick Andy out anywhere necessary.
Don't you do it, Jess.
You do have to
Oh
double
my
up on
gosh.
tax because
Oh my goodness. Let's put him down here with Mike. How about
Oh, I
that?
like
I like
that.
it.
Yep.
Maybe.
M's mess hall. If you
Yeah.
push too hard, it's
At
gonna
the-
fall.
At the foot of the
Listen,
roll.
I was gonna
got
let
it,
it. I was
I
gonna
got
let it fall. Amazing. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all the things Blackstone related. Go to griddlenation.com. And also, while you're hanging out here in YouTube, check out the network. There are tons of other creators out there making delicious, delightful recipes. Some, just like Jess Farron, who does, you know, some pretty okay.
No.
It's all right. It's all
No,
right.
you can't.
There, she's the meatless mama.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's.
She's a nurse. She
This is
might
a
be
little
the
weird.
meatless medic.
Oh.
Ooh, the meatless medic mama.
Yeah.
That's a mouthful.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, moving on. In the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show.
Yeah.
Where we cook.
And we quote.
Okay, yes, she watches the show.
I've been watching from the beginning.
Yeah, she has.
I have.
She is actually an OG.
I am.
Emphasis on the old.
Emphasis on the old.
Rude.